Welcome to Dr. Balga's podcast for the Curious Doc. Today is February 4th, 2026. This video is on a JCI article published 2 days ago on the 2nd of February titled Rhythms of Risk, the Intersection of Clocks, Cancer and Chronotherapy. What are circadian rhythms? They are endogenous 24-hour biological cycles regulating physiology, behavior and gene expression. What is the molecular circadian clock? A transcription-translation feedback loop driven by the BMAL1 clock and repressed by PER and CRY proteins. How are circadian rhythms synchronized? By environmental cues such as light, food intake, and temperature. What is the central circadian pacemaker? The suprachiasmatic nucleus, SCN, in the hypothalamus. Do peripheral tissues have clocks? Yes, nearly all tissues have autonomous circadian oscillators. How are circadian rhythms linked to cancer risk? Epidemiologic studies associate circadian disruption with increased cancer incidence. Why is night shift work considered carcinogenic? It induces chronic circadian misalignment and clock disruption. Does circadian disruption affect all cancers equally? No. Effects are highly tissue and context specific. Can circadian disruption suppress tumors? Yes, in certain cancers depending on oncogenic context. Why are effects context dependent? Clock proteins interact directly with oncogenic pathways differently across tissues. How does the clock regulate the cell cycle? Through rhythmic control of cyclins, CDK inhibitors, and checkpoint kinases. What's the role of WEE1, V1? It enforces G2M checkpoint and is under circadian control. How does BMAL1 affect tumor growth? BMAL1 can be tumor suppressive or oncogenic depending on the cancer type. How is MYC linked to circadian clocks? MYC disrupts circadian transcription and is regulated by Cry2 mediated degradation. Do tumors retain circadian rhythms? Some do, while others show dampened or disrupted rhythms. How do clocks regulate DNA repair? Through circadian control of nucleotide excision repair enzymes like XPA. What's the role of PER proteins in DNA damage? PER1 and PER2 enhance p53 stability and showing apoptotic sensitivity. How does DNA damage affect clocks? Genotoxic stress can reset or disrupt circadian timing. Are p53 and circadian clocks linked? Yes. p53 both regulates and is regulated by clock components. Can clock disruption impair genomic stability? Yes, leading to accumulation of DNA damage. How are circadian rhythms linked to hypoxia? BMAL1 forms heterodimers with HIFs to regulate hypoxic gene expression. What's unique about HIF2 alpha? It supports circadian rhythms in specific cancers like renal cell carcinoma. How can hypoxia reset circadian clocks? Yes. Oxygen fluctuations can act as timing cues. Are HIF1 alpha and HIF2 alpha effects identical? No, they have distinct and sometimes opposing circadian effects. Why is hypoxia important in cancer? It drives angiogenesis, metabolism, invasion, and therapy resistance. Is metastasis circadian regulated? Tumor cell dissemination showed daily rhythmicity in models. When is metastatic potential highest? Often during rest or sleep phase. Does sleep itself affect metastasis? Possibly via hormonal and immune changes. What is chronotherapy? Aligning cancer treatment with circadian timing to improve outcomes. What are the 3 chronotherapy strategies? Training clocks, drugging clocks, and clocking medicine. What does drugging clocks mean? Targeting molecular clock components with small molecules. Which cancers show promise for clock targeting? Glioblastoma and clear cell renal cell carcinoma. Are clock targeting drugs safe? Some have shown acceptable safety in early trials. Do treatment timing affect immunotherapy? Yes, outcomes can vary with time of the day. What limits clinical implementation? Logistics, inter-individual chronotrope variability, and lack of biomarkers. Read this fascinating JCI review article. It's open access. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.